Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Hope this lockdown is not treating you too bad. This is an excellent time to try something new, and we thought let's make some traditional Oriya food. So every 2 weeks we'll put on a traditional Oriya khana. You can then cook it and enjoy it during this lockdown period. And today we'll start off with Dalma.
Take 3 medium arbi.
The dado in 2 halves like this. Put it in water. So this much. The whole pumpkin. This is enough. Take out the seeds from it like this. Peel off the pumpkin as well, like this, using a pillar. Now peel off the potatoes. Put the brinjal. Same. All the vegetables we will cut into cubes. So I'll make it into half. Cut it like this. Then this should be enough. This huge one, we don't need the whole papaya. I'll put only this much, like half. Cubes. Before that, I'll remove the seeds. Now I'll add carrot. I have taken 1 small carrot. I'm going to add it to this. This is how my dad used to make dalma for us. So it is a like everyday side dish for us, which is very nutritious and healthy and rich in fiber as well. So I'll cut this. To this, we have a lot of veggies. This.
We have some cauliflower here.
And I have taken half tomato to this. Here I'm taking 2 cups to dal. I put 2 bowl.
That is 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of dal.
So now I will add the veggies.
Add 1 teaspoon of haldi.
Salt as per taste. Cook it until you get 1 whistle. You can see see our vegetables are properly cooked already. अब इसमें हम तड़का लगाएंगे. About 1.5 tablespoon for tadka, and then I let the oil heat for 1 minute. Let the jeera splutter. Add the dry chilies. About 1 tablespoon. So you have to take a pan, roast 4 tablespoons of jeera and 4 whole red chili. Roast it and grind it, and it will become coarse powder, and make a coarse powder like this. And this enhances the flavor of dalma, and this is very important to prepare the dalma, perfect dalma. Yeah. So I have added 1 tablespoon of jeera and chili powder into this, and leave it aside for 5 minutes.
Of course, there are many ways to make dalma. This is a super simple way. It is wholesome, healthy, and absolutely anyone can make it and enjoy it with some steaming white rice. To see more Oriya recipes like this, please do like and subscribe to this channel.